We guide you through how to exactly allow your camera and microphone on Google Chrome 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Chrome and click the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner. Then select Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security and click Site Settings. Under Permissions, find Camera and Microphone. Make sure the correct device is selected from the drop-down, then toggle the switch to allow sites to use your camera and microphone. Next, go to the website you want to use, then click the lock icon next to the URL. Select Site Settings and ensure both camera and microphone are set to allow. Refresh the page and your devices should now be activated. If it still doesn't work, check your computer system settings to make sure Chrome has permission to access the camera and microphone. Restart your browser and test again. And finally, remember that you can manage site-specific permissions anytime in Chrome settings to maintain privacy while enabling functionality for trusted sites, ensuring smooth operation for calls, recordings, and streaming without constant permissions from